as I continue to move, you can see more and more of 3 World Trade Center. Here's one more look at 1, 3, and 4 World Trade Center. Alright, we're almost here. Here we are, Brooklyn Bridge Park. 1, 4, and 3 World Trade Center can now be seen from here.
Or whether to have a
Alright, I'm just gonna keep walking over. Yep, Tower 3 can now be seen from Brooklyn Bridge Park. There's Tower 3 again.
So even though that was her first walk, like, come on,
Alright, here is 1, 7, and 4 World Trade Center. 3 World Trade Center is not high enough yet to be seen from here. Well, here I am again on the pier at Brooklyn Bridge Park, and here is 1 and 4 World Trade Center. Very soon, 3 World Trade Center will be seen from here too, once it gets high enough. There's 432 Park Avenue, along with the Empire State Building and the Chrysler Building. Alright everybody, well, my battery is just about drained, so this is going to be the end of this update. That's all the time I have for today. Be sure to rate, leave a comment, let me know what you think about the towers and the progress. If you have any questions to ask, please ask them, I will get back to you. And most importantly, I hope you've enjoyed this update. I'm NJT Amtrak Guy. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.